Imagination is more important than knowledge. Any fool can know. The point is to understand. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The only source of knowledge is experience. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Logic will get you from A to Z, imagination will get you everywhere. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. The only way to escape the corruptible effect of praise is to go on working. Creativity is contagious, pass it on. You never fail until you stop trying. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. Education is the progressive realization of our ignorance. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Time is an illusion, albeit a persistent one. The hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax. Science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind.